ano itong mga expansion project na gustong-gusto mong ibalita sa ating mga kababayan na inaabangan ng mga kababayan natin sa Laguna, Cavite?
Yan. No, excited. Gaya ng marami. No? Excited din kami sa LRMC, no? Pag-usapan at bahagi yung mga developments dito sa Cavite Extension Project. Siguro, as a background, no, for them, itong Cavite Extension Project, matagal na itong plano po, no? But since wala pa pong naging progress, but since we took over noong 2015, part ng aming concession is to build this, no? Pero may nagkaroon ng mga right-of-way concerns, kaya hindi kaagad na turnover yung buong stretch, no? Sa amin, sa LRMC. Kaya nakapagsimula lang ng civil works anong 2019, September 1, 2019. Okay, so if you count from then until now, and then of course we had the pandemic, no, yung 3 years na ang daming restrictions, and then medyo mabagal yung mga processes kasi syempre we were very conscious sa mga movements, no, and transmission. Now, no, this year, very exciting year sa amin dahil it will be the opening year for the Cavite Extension Project Phase 1. So ano ba yung nasa Phase 1? Ito ay yung magdudugtong, no, from the current system. So from Baclaran, magkakaroon ng 5 stasyon. Redemptorist Station, Mia Station, Asia World, Ninoy Aquino, and Dr. Santos. So yun po yung Phase 1. And we're very excited to open this in Q4 of this year.
Okay, Q4. Okay, yan pero para sa background ng ating mga kababayan, ano yung buong extension project hanggang Cavite, nabanggit mo lang kasi yung Phase 1 eh. Ay yung mga iba pang phase? May Phase 2 at Phase 3 pa yan, diba?
Meron po itong 3 phases. No? Dahil nga, yung right-of-way concerns, meron pa ring concerns until now, no? Kaya pong naging strategy ay to group it into phases. Okay. Otherwise, hindi pa po masisimulan ito, diba? And we know, and gaya po ng sinasabi ng president namin na we need to get 100% free and clear yung right-of-way before we start. Kasi mahirap naman po na, kunyari, 70%, o start lang muna yung 1 station, tapos hindi pa pala tapos, no? And then nag-build ka na, iba na yung daan niya, or papaliko mo ulit yung train. Parang, di ba, parang ang gulo nung walang planning. So, kailangan, isang segment ay clear, and then doon kami magsisimula mag-build. No? So, yung Phase 2, it has 2 stations, and then Phase 3 has 1.